Hey everyone, come cook with me. Today we're cooking something very simple and yummy. We're making some white rice and some tilapia. This is me putting salt, seasoning, garlic salt on my water. And I wash my rice and I'm putting my rice on right now. Then I'm about to cover it up, let it to cook on low fire. And I'm cutting some onions so I could put in my sauce. This is me putting some oil in the pot, some tomatoes, tomato paste, some garlic. Then to put my tilapia to boil. Then I will be putting some onions, the pepper on afterwards to finish it up. So this is the process. It's very simple and is very yummy. Keep watching the process. We are almost done. So by the way, how are you guys today? And what did you guys cook? Comment below. Let me know what did you guys have for dinner today. Like, comment, and follow and subscribe as well. Keep watching. See you guys later. Bye.